Another day, another walk to go find my coffee shop. Today I'm neglecting my ducks. I'm heading to Branscombe's Pond Park. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's just off Black Marsh Road next to the cemetery. It's a nice little spot to walk, nice little boardwalk, as you'll see in a few minutes. Takes a little navigating to find the shortcuts. I'm sure it would be easier just to scoot across the highway instead of walking underneath Team Gushu. I can't run very fast, so it's not worth the risk. I'll take my time and follow the tunnels. Plus, tunnels bring out the kid in you. They're always so cool to explore. Give you an idea where these trails come out after you leave the tunnel. You're in Mount Pearl Square, right behind the old theater. That's where I'm heading, up that way. For anyone not sure where you park, you can drive in behind the old theater. You can park in this parking lot, and then you head in that direction, right towards that red house with the peak. You come up to here and follow this trail. Once you get to the end of this trail, you're going to turn right and walk across the street, and you'll see the trail to the pond. You exit there and you go over this way and enter. You can see just across from the stop sign. Here we are, Branscombe's Pond. Go counterclockwise. That's the perfect way to literally unwind. There we go. Little hidden gem. Isn't this a pretty spot? I had to find a little spot to set up and have my coffee and take some drone footage. Lots of decorations around the trail. Looks nice. I think the ducks like it. Yeah, some people went through a lot of effort to get all this sorted out. I see the old Habs jersey is still up there. Had a nice chat with the lady yesterday who was doing these. It's nothing like a nice stroll in the woods after a light snowfall. It's just so peaceful, mesmerizing. It's just nice to get out and enjoy it. There's a shortcut to the path from Black Marsh Road right there, if you ever need it. Well, today I'm going to set up my coffee here. Not a bad view. I had to find some old twigs to make my little fire. It's great knowing that this spot is just a few minutes away from your house. Or my house, maybe not yours. So anytime I need an escape, there's places I can go. Got a few twigs ready. Should be more than enough for a coffee. There's not a lot of small stuff around that's dry right now, so I'm going to hope for the best. See if any of this will work any good as kindling or not. Start small, work my way up. Get the water ready to go on before I start the fire. Hate to waste all my wood pouring water. A bit of dirt in there, but my strainer or my screen in my coffee percolator will take care of that stuff. Alright, wish me luck. Something I don't have patience for. I got a lighter. I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep trying. Alright, let's see if we can move this around a bit. See if it'll dry off some of those twigs and catch. That's the fun part about damp wood. Well, she's still going. It's been about 10 minutes now. The wood that's in there is drying out and finally catching, so it's soon time to put on some thicker stuff and get my coffee on the go. Alright, time to put the pot on. You can tell she's definitely damp. A lot of smoke. There's definitely worse ways to be spending the afternoon than doing this. Let's check on the coffee, see how it's going, or the water. Oh, almost ready. How's the fire going? She's going. Wood's drying out a bit more, it's not as much smoke. I think my, lid's off. Good thing I didn't let that go. I would have lost my coffee. This is good. This little thing is great. Insulates your butt from cold. You can sit anywhere. Fire's going nice, isn't it? Oh, Starbucks. Two scoops of raisins in here. Kellogg's Raisin Bran, is that how it goes? I don't think it matters actually. Although I probably wish I put 3 scoops in it. Let's see how this goes. Need a stick. Don't have my spoon, so this will work. See if it'll burn. That's pretty wet. Alright, now I'm on my favorite part. Can't do this without the close-up. Yes, there we go. Going to use my little collapsible cup today. A little cheap one from Amazon. Perfect little size. Get closer. Yes. Perfect. There we go. Cheers. Yeah, this is nice. Now I can relax. Even that nice wet stick started to burn. That's it. Give it a chance to dry out. Well, I think I'm going to pack up now. Been out for a couple hours. Nice to get out, get away, fresh air, hang out with some different ducks. Hope the other ones aren't too jealous. I'll check in on them on the way home though. One of the great things about that little twig stove is that when you're done, it's totally disintegrated. There's nothing left. Well, I'm all packed up and ready to go, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little spot. And get out, come here, bring your own coffee and boil it up and just get away. It does wonders, trust me. Anyway, take care. Have an awesome day. As I feel the weight of my body floating in space, I want to keep floating. I want to keep drifting. As thoughts make their way in and out of consciousness, I want to keep watching. I want to float in space and watch. As sounds make their way in and out of consciousness, I want to keep listening. I want to sit in space, watch my thoughts, and hear those sounds. As weightlessness transforms into an unbearable burden, I bend. As thoughts become congested and chaotic, I suffocate. As sounds reverberate and echo a collaboration of unwanted and debilitating melodies, I tremble. Here you are, waiting to comfort me with your tranquility, waiting to soothe me with your song, waiting to waken my body with your touch, waiting to help me rediscover that weightlessness. Had to check in on the ducks on the way home. See how they're making out. Settling in for the night, I'd say, pretty soon. What do you think, guys? Right? Sorry, I don't have anything.